our project is AI for climate change, and the title of our project is AI for disaster forecasting and response. The current AI tools are hazard specific, region limited, and fail to provide real time actionable response. For that, we build a solution which will work for floods, wildfire, cyclones, earthquake disaster. And there are some limitations of existing AI solutions, in which the major issue is data gaps, which leads to poor accuracy in regions lacking the sensor satellite coverage. So, for that, we have to use a tools, satellite, IoT sensor, different API keys for collect data and fetch the data. Then here are the some sources from which we have to fetch the data. These are the from NASA. We have the fetch data for a earthquake and floods. Then and from this earthquake, latest earthquake, we have tracked the where the earthquake should be happen. Then for from IMD cyclones, we take the information of a cyclones. Other from this website, also we have to use we have used the different sources for fetch the data. Then we have to collect the data of a past 10 years from 2014 to 2024. Also, the current data should be updated in this data set. Uh, and for get the accurate position of where this disaster will be happen, we use the latitude, longitude, and also the region means from like 10 kilometer from this side. From this we get the accurate positions. So thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Yuvraj Razure from Team Sanjeevani. So here we are presenting our product AI powered disaster prediction and response. So as we know that there are many of disasters which are happening currently in our day-to-day life. Then it will be a flood, earthquake, or any other uh, any other disasters. So because of that, many of the peoples or animals are trapped inside that area. So due to which we are not able to find them and rescue them from that point. So for that we are here. Uh, we are here to solve that problem. So this is we have created a AI powered disaster prediction and response. So because of that, we will able to predict where the disaster will be happen, or after that happening, we will create a evacuation system or a route which will be a very safe safe and shortest path from the evacuation center to the disaster point. So because of that, we will rescue as much as people which are trapped inside the disaster. So first, I will overview our project. So we can know that there is a AI disasters prediction. So here we will get a real time prediction from the AI. We have created many of models which can predict the flood, earthquake, cyclones, hurricanes because of wildfires from the previous data, and we have trained that model. So because of that, we will get predictive insights by which on which zone, which area, means which disaster can be happen. So after that, we will create an interactive evacuation map. So because of that, we will create a shortest path between the evacuation center and the point where the peoples are trapped. So because of that, we will rescue as much as peoples which are trapped in this zone, and we will also secure the lives which are very important to us. And after that, there will be a coordination between the rescue team and our app, so due to which they will able to find the peoples as soon as possible. So now here are some statistics we get out from our data. So AI capabilities. So as I told you earlier, so the predictive analysis, smart evacuations, and automated response, which will give to the rescue teams, which will be very helpful from them. So in previous models which are present in the markets or the previous in the rescue teams, they are only detecting the person, but they are not giving any response to the rescue team. So because of this, we will also get a response from AI, by which it will be easier to rescue team to manage and track people and to evacuate them to a safer place. So it and the another feature of this project is like it will give a live. It will also give a live interactive alerts to the persons which are nearby that area. If, for example, if you are in a Pune and the area affected is Shivaji Nagar, then it will also give a alerts to the nearby zones, just like Viman Nagar and all to know that the point is in a red zone. So you also have to be alert. So for that, we have created this. So first, I will give you AI capabilities as I present you earlier. After that, this will be a live alerts. So here you can see that there are some live alerts. So the for this currently this data we have created some warning zones in our data to present you. So first, this is a flood warning in Mumbai. So we can know that by typing area, it's a wildfire in the yellow. These are the all the red zones. So the severity level of blue is like less. The severity level of yellow point is medium, and the red point is the higher alert zone. So yes, because of this, we can track many of our disasters. So after that, if we go to the point, just like flood in Mumbai. So first, we will after pointing our evacuation routes, we can go to our evacuation routes, and it will tell us the where is the red zone and where are the points where are the multiple red zones or the disaster area which are affected very harmly. So similar as we can also on evacuation dashboard, we can also track the locations of many of disaster zones, just like the here first is Mumbai, India, second Tokyo, where so for this we also created a disaster zone in our data. So we kept tell you. So the disaster type was here, the earthquake. So we can know see that it's a red zone here. And after that, this is this. So by clicking it, we can know that it's a shelter location and it's the point where the humans are detected. So yes, it's also start point. It was the shortest distance between the shelter and the start point from the red zone where we can detect. So this is also created by the. This is used by the our train models, so which we can which will be helpful for us. So in future means in upcoming days, we are creating the 3D model for the response team, so by which it can take the response from the AI, by which it will be easier to track the persons which are affected in the area and to the shelter point. Because of the 3D model, it will be very easy to track between the buildings or between the trees and all of that. So this was for uh, so in Miami, USA, if you can go to cyclone, so you can know that this is the affected area. So the persons which are trapped here will the nearest evacuation center will be here. So instead of evacuation center, we can also create a point which are safer zone for the peoples. So by which the person can be go here to there. So yes, this was the evacuation routes. So then the interactive map where here we also can see that the severity levels, the time frame between how much happens. So here we have also created the disasters times where it is present. The statistics were created. So yes, this is our current model due to which we will prevent all the disasters and all. We have also created a drone due to which it will be easier to detect human. So yes, for that we also we use YOLO and CV to detect the human and animals too. So by integrating this drone to our website, we also have created we also as I can say, we are also using drone, and we have also connected that drone to our website. So because of which, if you are a user, or means you are a person from the rescue team, just by flying a drone, if you are detecting the person in the area, if you are near the area and you have to go to deep down, so we have also created the drone which are in less size, by which it will be it's like a mini drone. So because of that, it will go to a area where a major drone or the people can't go. So because of that, we can track people easier. In that drone, we are also using the hyperspectral camera and infrared camera, due to which we can get our data of peoples or animals which are trapped inside the uh, inside trees or the in the earthquake. Like there are so many of stones and all are present, and the person are uh, means for the person are catch inside that area or that stuff, sand or stones, the person which are under that area, we are not able to find them. So because of these infrared cameras and hyperspectral cameras, we can detect them. So yes, so this was all our project. Thank you.